Hello fellow modelers, I created this video for enthusiastic modelers which want to know more about Heinkel 219 built in 1:48 scale. So here is landing gear from the kit without no modifications, and here is after. It was not full scratch build because I used photo etch extra parts, especially internal construction is handy. Photo etch parts are nice, but you must remove plastic raised areas. I use micro drill with a grinding tool. You can glue parts with a super glue, but the bond will not be strong. Therefore, I solder parts together with a soldering iron. I must confess that first I wanted to build this model simply without any modifications. However, when I put a few parts together, I changed my mind. I found a few original pictures of Heinkel 219, but the quality is not perfect. However, it is all that you need. So first you can see ugly plastic support for landing gear. I recommend to remove this part before gluing. You can simply cut them out with a knife. Now it is a little bit more difficult. Now I clean imperfections with a thin glue. The glue melts plastic, so you can achieve a smooth surface. Now it looks a little bit empty. I create new support for landing gear from plastic board. The original plane has kilometers of wires. I will do not make all of them, but at least I glue some electronic boxes and glue wires from lead wires. You can also use copper, aluminum or other material, but lead is very flexible and I like to work with it. Now I modify torsion links, walking beam and add a hydraulic line. As you can see, I use an electric drill. I use Proxon, but you can use Dremel or cheaper ones. All it works fine. It is plastic, so you don't need some extra powerful machine like Proxon. Now I clean dust and smooth surface again with extra thin glue. Now it only remains to add wires or hydraulic line for brakes. I actually do not know what type of brakes this plane had. Now I'm satisfied with the details, the difference side by side. And one more thing, do not forget to make the same on the second one. Now it only remains to paint everything. If you are using Tamiya colors, then I can recommend very nice rubber shade, which is NATO black. I paint center disc with a black and fix the result with a clear varnish. The resin wheels have a lot of details, therefore I paint dust with an enamel dust effect from AK. Now you can see that all details are more pronounced. I'm quite lazy, therefore I finally bought new RLM02 Grey, which is exact shade for landing gear. I do not need to mix exact shade with time. And as usual, I apply enamel dark brown wash. One of the best metallic chrome color for the brush is Model Master Chrome, or special pencil called Liquid Chrome from Molotov. So, that is all. Maybe you saw my full step-by-step video of Heinkel 219, but of course I do not include all steps to 40 minutes long video, especially landing gears which are in the kit very simplified. Therefore, I made a few modifications which I wanted to show you in this bonus video. I hope that this video will help you with your Heinkel 219 or just another plane with a similar landing gear. That is all. Thanks for watching and see you next time. And one more thing, my friend created new channel called Moocher Models. His main focus is on diorama, but he also has planes and AFV. He has nice video editing and lots of useful informations, so if you are interested, you can check his channel and subscribe. Here is a short presentation.
Jdeme na to. Jako základ budeme používat styrodur. Utekla voda, stejně jako na tomhle a místě. Další krok. Vezmeme si štětec a akrylovou pastu od Miga, jak si udělat základ podložky ze styroduru, jak si aplikovat foliáž a jak si aplikovat zeminu. A mějte se krásně, zatím ahoj!